morning, gentlemen. Good morning, Indians. India is presently in the grip of three vital problems. Number one, India is reeling under COVID rampage. Number two, India's economy is in the doldrums. Number three, India is under conflict with China. If I will tell that if I get the support of the government, I can solve all the three problems in a jiffy. Even economy can be saved from disaster within a year. At present, people don't have hope of getting the economy to a healthy state within even 5 years. But I assure you, if I am given a free hand, or if my suggestion is implemented by the government, our economy will be in the robust shape within 1 year. COVID-19 problem will be solved within 1 month, and Chinese problem can be solved within a fortnight. With the satisfaction of both the parties, even China as well as India, both should have the sagacity to listen and implement my suggestion. It is high time some Indians should come forward and help our country solve these vital problem our India is facing. Only thing is that the government should shed their layer of vanity around them and try to listen carefully, think it over, and do a decisive action program. I am telling you, I am not boasting anything, but if I tell you that I have a rare distinction of meeting God in person and getting very useful, vital information, or you can say knowledge from Him directly for 1.5 hours. And also I have been blessed by Him with a special ability, and by which I can tell you very important information about humanity. And to prove that point, I have been given some instrument also which whose movement no scientist on this planet can explain on on the basis of prevailing scientific knowledge available in the world. It is really astonishing. For many, it will be very miraculous to observe by demonstration in public also. I am able to converse with them, converse with Lord Shiva